Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're gonna do what are the best social dances to learn. And by social dancing today, we're just meaning like the everyday person wanting to dance at a wedding, a party, an event, something like this, okay? So that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna recommend first the major kind of fast dance and the major slow dance, and then we are gonna give you one more option for fast dance, because typically most parties have mostly fast dances. So we'll start off by talking about the first fast dance, which is the hustle, okay? So we're gonna show in the most basic format, which is just gonna be a single time version. So the basic step looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason why we like hustle so much, besides the fact that it works with literally almost all pop music nowadays, but it's also very easy and comfortable once you get the hang of it. It's one of the easiest, faster dances in our opinion. And of course, it was made for dancing in smaller spaces to pop music. You can see we're rotating a lot here. We're not taking up too much space, and it's really fun once you get the hang of it, okay? We will demo all these with some music after. The slow dance we're going to talk about now is called the Foxy. We are going to use the stationary version right now because we're imagining you in a crowded space, okay? So we're going to use a 6-count basic for this. So it's a combination of walking and swaying, which is nice because again, we're going for nice and easy, comfortable, natural movements here. So the Foxy is going to be that one for you. Also, it does work with like at least 90% of slow songs. It's going to be a good fit for you, kind of like the hustle, but the slow dance version in terms of matching the music and the ease of the movements. You can see it's nothing crazy. We look pretty natural and comfortable. It can be impressive, but it doesn't need to be. And it just has a lot of options to look good while you're slow dancing, okay? It's also one of the most popular wedding dances if you're in the market for learning to do a wedding dance.
That my love might begin to believe again. It's only for you, only for you, only for you. It's only for you, it's only for you, only for you, only for you.
Thing we're going to talk about is a bonus fast dance. That way, if you get bored with the hustle or you only know a few moves in the hustle, at least you have one other option to switch it up. This is called the Bachata. So it's also very, very comfortable. And if you don't like spinning so much, like the hustle is constantly rotating, this one might be a better option for you in general. It is created for Latin dancing, and it wasn't really made for pop music to begin with because it is a Latin dance. However, if you have an even time 1, 2, 3, 4 or a 4/4 timing beat, which most pop music is nowadays, the Bachata works well. So you can kind of feel it out to the beat of the song. Maybe if one is a little bit faster or slower, the Bachata will feel better or the hustle will feel better to you. And it basically just gives you another easy option that's quite natural. Just a combination of stepping and tapping, okay? each of those dances, the Foxy, Bachata, and the Hustle, we do have full lists of patterns that we teach step by step up on our website, which I'll link below for you. So if you're interested in learning how to do those, check that out. All right, guys, I hope you found this helpful and now you have a better idea of how to move forward in your dancing journey. That being said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so we know, and subscribe here for more content. And we do have our website, ballroom.com. Remember to check it out and learn those dances step by step there. And we'll see you guys in the next one very soon. Bye.